Okay, now before we begin, the Realme Watch S, it isn't the best smartwatch out there, but it is the ideal smartwatch for most of the people out there. Hear me out. It was the most exciting release in smartwatches recently. It has an automatic brightness sensor, SpO2 sensor, IP68 water resistant, sorry you cannot shower though, and cost just under 5000 INR. But the question that has to be asked is, if Realme Watch S isn't the best smartwatch, what is? Well, it's the Amazfit GTS Mini 2. You spend 2000 more and you get the GTS Mini 2 for 7000 INR with similar specs but an AMOLED display, inbuilt GPS and Alexa. So what makes the Realme Watch S the ideal smartwatch and what makes the GTS Mini 2 the best smartwatch? Well, let's find out. Let's go. Now, the most important thing in a smartwatch is the display, because that's the way you use this watch. If you want to see time, you use the display. If you want to start a workout, you still use the display. Now, the Realme Watch S comes with an LCD display, whereas the GTS Mini 2 has an AMOLED display. Now, AMOLED for sure looks brighter and sharper than LCD if you see them side by side. But honestly, I've used both these watches outdoors and indoors, and if you don't see them side by side, both of the displays are good enough under any lighting conditions. But the best thing about both of these displays is automatic brightness sensor. So just like your smartphone, they can adjust to the lighting around you and it works really well. It gets bright outdoors and really dim when there's no light. One neat little addition on GTS Mini 2 is the always on display because of the AMOLED screen. This is the small benefit you get out of AMOLED display and it really makes the experience better. After all, these are watches and the primary job of them is to see time whenever you want. But having said that, you can always look past the always on display with the wake to lift gesture. You lift your hand and the watch glows. And side by side, both the smartwatches were fast enough in the gesture, but the Realme Watch S was a bit faster. I mean, this doesn't even have a gyroscope and GTS Mini 2 has, but still Realme Watch S is faster. Good job, Realme. Another advantage of an AMOLED display is good battery life. So you would expect GTS Mini 2 to have a better battery life. Well, in that case, both have the same battery life. It packs almost 2 times bigger battery than GTS Mini 2. So on a heavy usage, both of them will last like 7 days with 1 workout a day, 24/7 heart rate monitoring. If you have a light usage, it might even go 10 to 11 days. But this bigger battery on the Realme Watch S makes it look way bigger and chunkier. I don't like huge watches because I don't have that big wrist. So if you have a similar wrist size like me and you don't like big watches, well, GTS Mini 2 will look good. Oh, by the way, GTS Mini 2 has a 20mm watch strap and Realme Watch S has a 22mm watch strap. Both are replaceable and you can get a cheaper, stylish, customizable strap from Amazon or offline market. Although the default strap were pretty good, I didn't have any problem or allergies with them. The Realme Watch S straps are a bit thicker and if you wear it tight for long hours, it gets a bit irritating. So usually I fasten the watch when I'm about to start a workout. And talking about the workout, well, Realme Watch S supports 16 workout modes, whereas GTS Mini 2 supports 70 plus workout modes. It's crazy, but most of them are like badminton or yoga and are just calorie count and heart rate, so pretty useless. But if you do skipping or swimming, well, the GTS Mini 2 supports both and you should get the GTS Mini 2. Now, in terms of accuracy, I took a run with the GTS Mini 2, Apple Watch 6 and Realme Watch S, and below are the stats. The distance and average heart rate is more or less the same, but the GTS Mini 2 is more accurate with heart rate. Because while I was running, the Watch S started giving me high heart rate alerts, but the GTS Mini 2 shows it was 150 to 155, so false alert. And even in daily life, if you see, the GTS Mini 2 gives a more accurate heart rate measurement than the Realme Watch S. And so is the case with sleep tracking as well. If you see, the sleep time with Realme Watch S, it's a bit off. It's just there, but not accurate. See, I didn't get up around 4 AM. Again, false alert. And every day it just shows that I'm awake for some time, but I'm not sleepwalking. Plus, GTS Mini 2 can detect breathing quality during sleep and even supports nap. So yeah, GTS Mini 2 is more accurate, and this is the conclusion of this video. See, GTS Mini 2 is a better watch, no doubt. You pay 7,000 INR, which is 2,000 more than the Realme Watch S, and in that amount you get inbuilt GPS, Amazfit's more accurate algorithm, and Alexa commands, which haven't arrived yet, swimming, workout sync with Strava, etc. The software is so good that I haven't even used the phone app for any settings, sleep data or workout data. But mostly, if you're thinking about buying a Realme Watch S or a smartwatch under the 5,000 price range, this is your first smartwatch or a fitness band. And you won't be able to feel these small differences and features with the GTS Mini 2. Like for example, if you carry your phone during your workout, connected GPS detects signal faster than inbuilt GPS. So again, inbuilt GPS won't be a feature you would love if you carry your phone during a workout. That's why I say Realme Watch S is the watch for most of the people. GTS Mini 2 is the better watch, no doubt, but if you have that question in your mind, why should I spend 7,000 on a smartwatch that can't reply to notifications or pick up calls? Well, don't stress. Get Realme Watch S. And yes, Amazfit should have provided features like reply to notifications or call pickup. Like you can reject a call with SMS, but not reply to notifications. Come on, Amazfit. Those are popular features, and then it would have made a lot of sense to recommend the GTS Mini 2. So you should buy the Realme Watch S over GTS Mini 2 for most people. And on that note, this is Pradeep signing off. Subscribe to TechWiser if you haven't, and see you soon.